It's been a while since I updated you on our tiny RV, but we've gotten some things done in the bathroom and I thought I'd share that. We're in a construction zone still, so everything's a bit messy. But this is a shower that we built. We just put the threshold in, the marble threshold today, so that's drying. The galvanized metal is up on the walls, and we've installed the shower head. We've also installed a fan. Let me get a little closer. A fan that is getting vented out through the bottom of the camper. So it goes down there. And that's our air conditioner. We still have work to do on that. And the commode is all in. And this is a closet that we built next to the shower with, I'll show you the plumbing for the shower head. So that's on. We need to do the doors on the closet. We need to build those, and we need to build the doors for the kitchen cabinets, which are not done, and the drawer fronts for our storage under the bed. But I also built some storage stools that serve multi-purposes. We can store things in them, and we can step on them to get up in the bed, or we can sit on them. And the table is right behind them, so all we have to do is pull them out and put the table up if we want to sit at the table. So I'm really happy with the way they turned out. So that's it. That's the latest update on Minnie, our tiny RV. Hopefully the next time I share an update, we will have the doors done, the trim up, and everything done.